flashlights the night before. We get our third ride in a pickup to get gas and food. We wash up and have breakfast at a nearby casino. And this would be a pattern that would follow us up and down the river. Rides in pickup trucks to get food and gas, and washing up at casinos. Several farmers were there to see us off. One of them said, "You boys are going to be driving from bean field to bean field. That's how flooded this river is." As we journey farther south, the water sometimes resembles smooth circles of melted glass swirling through the choppy waters. We are now on the lookout for dangerous whirlpools. They were even mentioned in Father Marquette's journal. When the GPS is not working, we rely on the traditional method of finding your way on the Mississippi River, and that's spotting the pulls that are up every mile all the way down to New Orleans. Often you have to use binoculars. Because of our near-death experience last night, Swain places a captain's hat on Kerr's head, and we all drink to that. I'm sure this happened since the dawn of river travel. There would be no more arguments once we are on the water. Kerr was our captain. We have now become a real river crew. The motor and our spirits are wide open. We just got the go-ahead from Memphis to dock at the Memphis Yacht Club. What a joy when we wake up on board our raft in a covered dock with complete facilities. We spend the morning organizing our stuff. Each of us was allowed to bring certain personal items. I brought cameras and a computer. Kerr brought a .38 revolver and a shotgun. Swain brought packets of survival gear, food. Tuttle brought goodies, i.e. Clark Lake cookies, and a bottle of Royal Crown. We spent the rest of the morning at the Peabody Hotel, meeting people from all over America and the world, waiting to see the ducks walk down the red carpet and into the fountain. The ducks finally walked down the red carpet and into the pond, while hundreds of visitors cheer. I loved Mud Island. In fact, I still got the Mud Island Yacht Club polo shirt. The harbor master tells me that the river is like a small town, and we are okay by the big barges. They know that we have an extra motor and all the communication equipment. What they don't like is tourists coming down unprepared and dying in the river. It gives the river a bad name. They would now stop and help us. That makes our day. We feel we're part of the river now. We leave Memphis and are greeted by a rough Mississippi. The winds pick up and the barge traffic is heavy. After 76 miles of travel, we anchor on a remote riverbank near Helena, Arkansas. And for security, we take turns walking in pairs the half mile through the woods to the Lady Luck Casino for dinner. Around 8:30 p.m., huge lightning bolts fill the sky, and it begins to rain. Tuttle and I thought